Hello viewers, welcome back to T-Auto. In today's video, we'll be diving into an important topic that every car owner should know, the signs of a faulty injection nozzle, how it affects your car's performance, how to increase the lifespan of your fuel injector, and most importantly, how to avoid unnecessary repair costs. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with others who love their cars just like you do. Now, let's get right into it. Most cars from the 1980s onwards are equipped with electronic fuel injection systems, replacing the old carburetor setup. A key part of this system is the fuel injector. It's responsible for spraying the right amount of fuel into your engine cylinders at the correct time, pressure, and spray angle so your engine runs smoothly and efficiently. The engine control unit, or ECU, which is the brain of your car, controls these injectors using various sensors to ensure perfect fuel delivery. If your injector starts to fail, you'll see some clear signs. Let's go through the top 9 symptoms you should never ignore. Number 1. Rough idling or engine stalls. The engine gets uneven or insufficient fuel, causing rough idling or stalling at stops. Number 2. Engine vibrations. If one injector isn't firing, you'll feel the engine shake or hiccup while driving. Number 3. Engine misfires. Poor fuel spray can cause misfires, meaning the car struggles when accelerating. Number 4. The check engine light. A faulty injector might trigger the check engine light, often with error code P0201. Use an OBD2 scanner to confirm. Number 5. Fuel leaks. Cracked or aged injectors can leak fuel, and you may notice wet spots near the fuel rail. Number 6. Fuel smell. A stuck-open injector or leak can release raw fuel vapors, which is a serious safety hazard. Number 7. Engine surge. Overfueling can make your engine surge or hesitate during acceleration. Number 8. Poor fuel economy. Incorrect spray patterns make your engine demand more fuel than needed, reducing mileage. And number 9. Failed emissions test. Bad injectors can lead to incomplete combustion, increasing emissions and possibly damaging your catalytic converter. Now let's look at why injector nozzles go bad and how to prevent it. Reason 1. Low quality fuel. Dirty fuel introduces contaminants that clog your injectors. Reason 2. Driving with low fuel levels. This causes the fuel pump to suck up debris from the tank, pushing it through the system. Reason 3. Using the wrong fuel type. Accidentally putting diesel in a gasoline car or vice versa can severely damage the injection system. So how can you protect your fuel injectors? Here's what you can do. Use high-quality fuel. Keep your tank above 1/4 full. Change fuel filters regularly. Use fuel injector cleaner periodically. And if you've added the wrong fuel, don't start the car, drain it first. Now, if you're comfortable with basic tools, you can clean the injector nozzle yourself. Here's how. First, disconnect your car battery, negative terminal first, then the positive. Next, unplug the injector socket. Then carefully remove the injector nozzle. Use a high-quality injector cleaner to flush it, as shown in this video. After cleaning, reinstall the injector and reconnect the battery positive terminal first, then the negative. Start your car and check for any fuel leaks or warning lights. If anything feels off, consult a professional mechanic. And that's a wrap on today's video. By recognizing these signs and maintaining your fuel injectors properly, you can save money, avoid breakdowns, and keep your car running smoothly for years to come. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to T-Auto, and click the bell icon so you never miss our latest content. Thanks for watching, drive safe, and see you in the next video.